ED202, this is Dr. Caldwell, and I wanted to talk to you about the syllabus and just point out a few things, make sure we're all on the same page. So if you go into our Blackboard and you click on syllabus announcement links, it'll take you to our syllabus, and you can see the best way to reach me is through email. Our course meeting, it says 4 weeks online, but it really comes out to be about 3.5, so just be mindful of that. You will have to have 30 hours of field work, so you want to make sure you're getting on that right away. I'm giving you some extra time to complete those hours, but you will need to get those hours. And I'll tell you that I'm very flexible about what you can do this summer. You can volunteer, you can um, do anything with children, do anything with education, any kind of volunteering or whatever you can possibly do with children, tutoring, or whatever. You can talk to David Wood. There's an announcement and his information and the announcements, and you can see what he can offer you this summer. But you will need to get 30 hours. It is a requirement for the course, so you must get those hours. This is our book. You can rent it, buy it. Just you'll need to, but you will need it, and this is a quick course. You're going to need it pretty quickly, so make sure you get it. Um, just the standard information is all here. This is all online, 100%. You'll be working from home, but you and I can Zoom anytime. These are our student learning outcomes, uh, course standard language here about what we're doing, the standards. This is the important part, which is your course schedule. I'm breaking everything down for you right here. You will see that, what you have to do each week. I try to put things in red when they're due. I need to add these and put these in red for you. Um, so, anyway, so this is our schedule, and this is a breakdown of our assignments. Your field experience, historical research assignment, they'll do a video or PowerPoint or some sort of Prezi on that. You're going to write a personal philosophy of education. What else? You're going to do weekly assignments, discussion, essays, and so on. Because this course is so short, I have had to cut it so much to be able to give you things that you can do in the short amount of time. One of the things you're going to be doing is creating a timeline, and so you'll find all of those links and information in the classroom. I need to for you. And then your final exam, you're going to choose a book or a movie and do a review on it and post it as a YouTube link. These are all your assignments here. Your essays is you have one essay, one timeline assignment, you have one quiz, and then the rest are 3 discussions. And there's all your assignments. Here's your grades, grading scale, and attendance is online. I need to see you each week. I do shut the due dates off, so you need to make sure that you are getting stuff in on time, or you will not be able to do your work past 4 or 5 days. But just reach out to me if you have any issues, and I'll work with you. In the class, you'll see under the syllabus and links, there's a link here to your book or movie review project and your timeline project. So you'll click on those links and add your name. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm excited about our semester.